Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them on PlanetScale can be straightforward. Follow these steps to address any billing discrepancies you may encounter. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather supporting documentation. Collect any relevant documentation that supports your claim. This may include previous invoices, usage reports, or any communication regarding your billing. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to PlanetScale's customer support team. Provide them with a detailed explanation of the billing error along with the supporting documentation you gathered. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Ensure that your issue is being addressed and ask for an estimated resolution timeframe. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been reported and resolved, keep an eye on your account and future billing statements to ensure that the error does not recur. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on PlanetScale and ensure your account remains in good standing.